Yeah. Children, get ready now. Take out your pencil, eraser, all that should be there next to you. Page number 59, I'll show you. Now, turn off your microphone for the smooth functioning of the class, and you have to switch on your camera. Turn on your camera. Good morning to all. It's quite easy to do when you listen carefully. Okay, we have only 30 minutes class, so you must be attentive. Now, today's date you can write just on top. Just after exercise 5, you write today's date, 6/10. Okay. Now just see the sum. Now I need your help. Page number 59 and those who are joining in between. Now we are just going to explain this. We are going to explain. Okay, now I want Yuvan. Yuvan, are you there, Yuvan? Yuvan, are you there? I don't know. I'm calling out for Yuvan and he's not there at all. Yuvan? Okay, now. Taranish. Taranish, you also is not there.
Yes,
Okay, are you there? Okay, good, Taranish. Can you read the sum? I will help you. Taranish, just read. From the screen you can read because in the book also same thing. Come on, start reading. In a cricket match, Sunil scored. Not scored. Scored. That means he got 67 runs.
67
And
and
Vikas
scored
not code must score, scored
for
83 runs.
83 runs.
Now see, one child scored, that means he got 67 runs. He scored, like how you scored marks in your exams. And Vikas scored 83 runs.
83.
And we just want to know who scored more. Now, can you tell me whether Sunil scored more runs or Vikas scored more runs? See, Sunil 67, Vikas 83. Who got more runs? Vikas, very good. Now, we have to find out how many more. Like, we know that Vikas got more, but you have to find out. For that reason, we have to subtract. You must see the big number. First, let us underline. I told you. Now you can underline in your textbook. 67 you have to circle. Runs you underline. Because when you write the sum in your classwork note, you have to write runs Sunil scored, like that. So circle 67. Again 83, underline 1. Next sum, whoever I'm going to ask, you have to tell me. Now please circle the numbers only for this sum. And I'll ask you to show the textbook for special class time. My class, Tuesday, Friday, I will ask you. Then the neat work, you will get marked. Circle 67. Did you circle, Taranish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now we have to find out how many more runs Vikas scored than Sunil. Listen carefully, okay? Always you must write the big number first. So you finish writing 83 minus 67. Already it's done in your textbook. But listen, okay? Now, next one we'll see. Now, I want Taranish to help me. How to subtract 7 from 3? Can you explain to me? How to subtract one's place numbers? Second number is 7. Can you take 7 from 3?
No, ma'am.
No. Only you must answer. Okay, don't want anybody to help. You can do it. I'll help you. Now, what should I do? To take 7 from 3, you cannot take. So what should I do? We have to, say with me, we have to borrow from 10th place. Understood? We have to borrow from 10th place. Now, tell me, 3 will become what? 3. 13. Now, 1 minute. Please turn on your camera. 13. You are getting 13 because you are taking 10 from 10th place and adding this 3 here. 13. Don't write 12. 13. Now, 8 will become what? 8.
7, ma'am. 7.
Very, very good. So you have to.
On the page number,
Who's
maybe
that in
got
between?
wrong page number by accident.
Page number 59, Sona. 59. What happens, Sona? Yeah.
I had 49.
Yes, Sona. Page number 15. 59. See on the screen. Did you get this?
I got this, but I didn't see that.
Please see the screen. In between, don't talk, Sona. See that continuity is gone. Okay, you just see the screen. Okay, now. Okay, good. Now, Saranish, now 8 will become what? 8 will become 7. 7. Sorry. Sorry, 1 minute. I'll just see first. Now, you are, afterwards, we'll do 8 will become 7. Now, just help me to do this subtraction. 13 minus 7. We'll finish it. What is 30? You can cut 8 and write 7 also, but I did it after doing one's place subtraction. Now, 13 minus 7. How to do this 13 minus 7? Tell me. You just say 13 minus 7. Say 13 minus 7. No, I don't want the answer. I want you to tell me how to do. After 7, you have to count till 13 on your fingers or keep in your mind. Now, after 7, you count loud now. After 7, 8.
8, ma'am.
No, ma'am. You close your fingers. You close your fingers. Take out your left hand. Close your fingers. I don't want the answer. I want you to tell me how to do this. Close your fingers. When you count after 7, you open the first finger. After 7, 8. Count. Take out your 8. Show me your fingers. Lift your hand. Yes. 8. First one is 8. Then 9. Take the second finger. 10. Third finger. 11. Fourth finger. 12. Fifth finger. Now take the next hand. 13. So when you reach 13, you have to stop. Listen, I don't want anybody to murmur or whisper. Let him learn by himself. I don't know whether anybody is helping, but you listen. Now say once again, close all your fingers. Close all your fingers and tell me. 13 minus 7. Repeat after me. 13 minus 7.
7.
After 7.
After 7.
Now you count on your fingers till 13. Come on. After 7, 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So what is the answer on your fingers here? How many fingers are open?
6, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So you are writing 6. Now tell me, you are cutting 8 and you are writing 7. Don't forget, you can do it first itself. Okay, you cut 8 and write 7. Now what is 7 minus 6? After 6 you count till 7. Close your fingers. After 6.
After 6.
Next number.
7.
7. So what is the answer on your finger?
1, ma'am.
1. This is the way you have to do. Okay, good. Now you have to write down answer. See the textbook. Complete all this. Okay, good. Taranish, thank you. Now answer. Okay, good. Answer. Now you have to write because scored 16 runs more. Okay, this is the answer. You have to write the full sum in your textbook. Next child is Tion. Tion.
Ma'am.
Now I'm coming to the next. I'm just showing you the next sum. Please take. Hope everybody would have finished this. No asking in between because I finished giving you 11 minutes to do this. Now, Tion, we are going to do this one. See here, second one in your textbook. I have it here. Now, Tion, please read this. Read the sum from the screen.
4 minus 5.
No. I don't want all that. Read the sum. 45 birds. Please read. 45 birds were flying in the sky. Read.
45 birds were flying in the sky.
Full stop. Full stop there. If 18 of them
sat
on a tree,
how
many read birds are still flying in the sky? Now I'll explain. Altogether 45 birds. Now tell me, Tion, don't go. Tell me the numbers to be circled. First number. I told you to circle the numbers. How many birds? First you read. 45 birds. So which one? Please tell fast, children. I explained the first one. Which number I have to circle? In the question. Don't come to the answer. In the question.
18, ma'am.
No, ma, please. First one you say 45 birds. Now where I have to circle? See, look there. 45. Underline birds. Okay. Now, which one you have to circle? Tell me the number.
18.
Very good. 18. Okay, that's enough. You know birds and two numbers. Now, we'll see. 45 birds were flying and 18 of them came and sat. Balanced birds, number of birds just kept on flying. They didn't sit anywhere. Now we have to find out the rest. Okay, now tell me, 45 minus 18. Just look at the ones place number. What are the two numbers under O, ones place? Tell me two numbers. Please listen to me. Don't look left and right. Now tell me the numbers under ones place. Tell me 5 and 8. Look at the screen. Can you see the screen? 5 and 8. Now, okay. Can you take 8 from 5? 8 is bigger. I explain 1 minute. Don't say now. 8 is bigger than 5. Now you take your 5 fingers. You cannot take 8 from that. Understood? Look at the screen. So we are going to borrow from tens place. 5 will become what? 5.
15.
Good. Now just answer me alone, okay? Just don't listen to anything. Now 15 minus 8. Now you close your fingers. When I teach one child, all others must listen. Yes. Close your fingers and tell 15 minus 8. Say after me. 15 minus 8. 8.
8.
After 8.
9. After 8.
Now count down your fingers.
9.
9.
9. 10.
11. 12. 13.
13.
14.
14.
15. Now tell me how many fingers are opened. Lift your hand. How many fingers are open?
17. 7.
Children, if you want to learn, just listen to me and write, okay? Now, you write 7 in your textbook. First you do. Why your camera is going away, I don't know. Now, what should I... Please turn on your something is happening. Camera's on. Now, what should I do with 4? Already we have taken 10 from there. So 4 will become what? 4 will become... Yeah, take away 1 from that because you have taken 10. 4 will become what? 4.
7.
You're taking away 10 from that 44 will become 3. Good.
3.
Right. Now, what is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1. After 1, you count. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you.
2.
Now, down you write 27 birds are still flying. Children, any other subject you can learn by heart. Maths, you have to listen carefully because so many sums we are doing. When I teach one child, all others must listen. Okay. Now, 27 birds. Now, you can do it in your textbook. Thank you. 27 birds are flying. Now, next is Tarush. Tarush, get ready for the next sum. Tarush, turn on your camera. Okay. Now, please listen. Tarush, read the third sum from the screen. Children, when I am teaching others, you have to copy the sum. Whatever we do after that, don't tell me to show once again. I won't be able to do it. Now, please, Tarush, read this. Akash.
Akash has
50.
pencils.
Yeah. Ankita
Ankita
has
37 pencils.
pencils. Yes. Who has more pencils? How many more? And must read nicely. You know to read. Who has more pencils and how many more? Now, tell me the numbers to be circled. Already you finished 2 sums. Tell me from the lesson, from the question, tell me the numbers to be circled. First one.
15.
Which one?
15.
Very good. Underline pencils. Just to make you understand. Now, what is the second number to be circled?
37.
Good. Underline pencils. Again. Now, who has more pencil? Now, seeing that itself, you will know. Now, who got more pencils, Tarush, over here? Akash or Ankita?
Akash.
Akash, because we circled, it's easy to find out. Now, we have to know how many pencils more Akash got than Ankita. Now, just come back to the sum over here. Down. Read 50 minus 37. We have to minus from the big number, the small one. Okay. 50 minus 37. Now, tell me the ones place number under O. Ones place numbers. What are the 2 numbers over there? Z. Tell. You look at the screen. Under Z, under ones place. Tell me the 2 numbers. 0 and 7. Tell me.
0 and 7.
Okay.
Add 1.
No. Can you take 7 from 0? Listen to me. Can you take 7 from 0?
No, ma'am.
Now, what should you do? Borrow from tens place.
Borrow from 5.
Now, 5. 0 will become what? Tell me first.
0 will become 10.
10. Good. Now, just listen. Now, please subtract 10 minus 7. After 7, you just close your fingers. Yeah. After 7, you count till 10. After 7, open. After 7, what is the number? 8.
8, 9, 10.
What is the answer on your? Very good. 3. Now, we borrowed from 5. Now, 5 will become what?
5 will become 4.
4. Good. Don't forget to write that. Okay. Now, minus 4 minus 3.
3 plus 3, 4.
4. What is the answer on your finger?
1.
1. Very good. 1. Okay. Now you got 13. Now I want somebody else also to do this. 1 minute, children. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now 1 minute. The same sum I need one more person to do. So just wait, okay? We'll just call one more person. I want Sujin. Sujin, Now we finished doing this sum, but look at the screen and tell me how to do this. Because those who did not do, you can explain to them. So Jane, please turn your camera. Turn on your camera. So Jane. Okay, good. Sujin, come. You have to do with me. Okay. Now, tell me the numbers. 50 minus, read that number. 50 minus.
50 minus 37.
Can you take 7 from 0?
No, ma'am.
Now, what should I do? Ones place number I have to take first. Children, 1 minute. Don't take tens place number and minus 5 minus 3, 2. That's wrong. Your answer will be wrong. You cannot start from tens place. You have to start from ones place. Now tell me, Sujin, you have to take 7 from 0. You cannot take. Now what should I do? Borrow from which number? Which place?
From 5 and 0
Five.
will turn 10, ma'am.
1 minute. 10. Now you subtract. What is 10 minus 7?
3, ma'am.
3, because you have done already. But close your fingers and show me 10 minus 7. After 7, you count till 10 on your fingers. After 7, come on. 8.
8, 9, 10. It's only
You got
3,
three.
ma'am.
Very good. Now, what should I do with 5? We just borrowed. Now we have to cut 5 and write. I don't know whether I have to write 6 or 4.
4, ma'am.
Very good. You are removing 1. Now, what is 4 minus 3?
1, ma'am.
Very good. Now, down you see, dash has dash pencils more. Now, what will you write there? Tell me. Who has?
Akash has
Very good. How many pencils?
4 pencils.
13. Please write, children, now. Complete the work. You have to write that answer because the sum, if you do the sum, you will get 2 marks for the answer. And down, you'll get 1 mark, 3. And the statement. In your classwork note, I will teach you how to write statement. For the statement, you will get 2 marks. Altogether, 5 marks. Okay. Now do this. Please do it. We'll go to the next one. Yeah. Hope all would have finished this. Now we'll go to the next one because we got one more sum. 4th one. Okay. Now see the fruit seller over here. Very happy, is smiling away with all the watermelons over there. Now, next child is Sharon Pranav. Sharon. I saw Sharon join. Okay, Sharon, you must be regular to class. Okay, Sharon, turn on your camera. Turn. Because I don't find certain children. Turn on your camera and listen carefully, and you're going to do this. What happened to your camera, Sharon? What happened? Any problem with your camera? Yeah, good. Sharon, please read this sum. Number 4 from the screen. A fruit seller, read. Fast, we don't have time.
A fruit seller has 52 watermelons.
Yeah.
He
sells
sells
27
out of them in a day.
How many
watermelons are left?
Very good. Now, tell me the numbers to be circled. How many watermelons a fruit seller has? Tell me. Read from the screen. I will circle it. What is the first? 52. And underline what? The fruit. Watermelons. Good. Very good. You also do it in your textbook. Okay. You have to do it using a scale. Now he sells. Okay. He sells. How many watermelons he sells? Look at the screen. 27. So I'm just circling that. So I finish circling that. Circle that number. Camera in between, it's going away. Yeah, please. And what? No. 1 minute. Now, Sharon, turn on your camera and please do the sum with me. Come on. Something is wrong. Turn on your camera.
On, ma'am.
Okay, but it's in between, it's showing mark. Now listen, can you take 7 from 2? Schooling. What can you take 7 from 2? Please answer fast. When I don't see your face, don't look at anybody, you just look at me. Can you take 7 from 2? No, you cannot take 7 from, it's breaking, Saran. Listen, you cannot take 7 from 2 because 7 is bigger than 2. Children, you have to learn by now. Many sums we have done. 7 is bigger than 2. You cannot take 7 from 2. So check the second number always in one's place. 7 is bigger than 2. Now you have to borrow from 10th place. You tell me. You have to borrow from 10th place. Sharon, please answer. I'll call somebody else then. Now listen, Sharon. See, you are getting marks for your answer. That's what I'm giving. No, Manu. Manu, don't come in between. Manu, you are not supposed to come. I am taking the roll number and calling the children. And mark will be given, so all will be given mark. Manu, afterwards, not now. Now, Sharon, please tell me. I have to borrow from 5, that is 50. I have to borrow from 10th place. Now, 2 will become what? 2. He left, I think, Sharon. So I'm going. Sharon, please tell me 2 will become what? So many sums I explained. 2 will become what when you borrow from 10th place? Okay, Sharon. No. 12. Oh, it's okay. 12. Sharon, I don't want anybody to help you. That's what I want your camera to be on. I cannot give you any mark for oral now. Your camera should be on and you have to answer me. Yes. You don't look left and right. Now 12 minus 7. Tell me how to do 12 minus 7. Count after 7 till 12. After 7. Okay, now 1 minute, Sharon. I think I will ask somebody else because you're going on looking here and there. You listen to me, at least learn. After 7, close all your fingers. Close all your fingers. Take your left hand. After 7, you start counting and you start opening the fingers. After 7, count. 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What is the answer on your fingers?
5.
5. Now, what should I do with 5 there? Should I cut 5 and write which number? Which number should be written on top? 4. Good. Children, if somebody helps you, it will never work out. You have to listen to me. And your camera is not on, so I can't give you any mark. Just tell me. 4 minus 2. Tell me, open your fingers and show me how to do. After 2, come on, start counting. After 2, that means is 3, 4.
4.
What is the answer on your fingers?
2.
Now listen, please complete this. I have a request. I want all the children to turn on your camera and you have to answer me. Okay? Please. Okay. Now, 1 minute, children. We finished our class. Those who have been done, you have to go back to the recording and do it neatly. And no need to say thank you. Leave the class and join the next class. I will come back for English. Thank you. Yes, children, tell me.
Thank you.
1 minute. Let me start.
you, ma'am.
Okay, who's calling me now?
I'm Punit, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.